Hey guys, so welcome back to the Math Trap channel. So let's say today we have an equation of exponent where 2 multiplied by 3 power of 2 plus 2 power of 2. Solving the multiplication first, 2 multiplied by 3 of power 2 which comes to 6 power of 2 plus 2 power of 2. Now 6 power of 2 which means 6 multiplied by 6 and then 2 of 2 which is 4. 36 plus 4 it is 40. So this is the not right answer here. The power of 2 is only on the 3. It is not combined with the 2. You have to first solve the exponent which is 3 multiplied by 3 which comes to 9 and then 2 power of 2 means 2 multiplied by 2 which means 4. So 2 multiplied by 9 plus 4. This is our equation. So 2 multiplied by 9 plus 4 which comes to 13. 2 multiplied by 13 which comes to 26. So 26 is also wrong answer. We are solving the exponent first, but there is an other loophole here. We are solving the plus operator because we are ignoring the high priority operator which is the multiplication. So first of all, you see in the PEMDAS, E for exponent comes before the multiplication. So you have to resolve the exponent first, then comes to multiplication and then comes to plus operator. So you will solve this PEMDAS equation like that. 2 multiplied by 3 power of 2 which comes to 9 plus 2 power of 2 which comes to 4. Now 2 multiplied by 9 plus 4. So you have to solve the high priority operator first and then goes to the low priority operator which is plus operator. So 2 multiplied by 9 which comes to 18 plus 4. So 18 plus 4 is the 22. Yes, our final answer is the 22 sorry. So instead of both answer. So stay